How to install PUBG Mobile on PC. If you have been wanting to play this popular battle royale game on a bigger screen, then stay tuned. Download and install an Android emulator. First, open your browser. Then search BlueStacks Android emulator. Then download it. Click on download. After finishing download, open it. Click install. After install complete, restart the computer. After restart complete, open the BlueStack. After opening BlueStacks, type PUBG on the search bar, then press enter. Then tap on PUBG Mobile. Then click on install. After finishing install, click on launch button. PUBG Mobile will request storage permission to save data. Select allow. Tap allow again. Then click on upgrade. After update finished, click OK to restart the game. Click on accept. So that's how you can install and play PUBG Mobile on your PC. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial review channel for more videos.